Let's stick with your money for a minute. Teachers across Southeast Texas had expected to see an increase in their health insurance premiums soon, but they're off the hook thanks to some federal money. It is a welcome relief for so many educators who were expecting that price hike come September.
And 12 News reporter Simona Barca joins us now to explain what changed.
Jordan, Letitia, this news comes at a key time as many school districts struggle to keep talented teachers. Governor Abbott allocated COVID relief money to help. New federal COVID-19 money is going into the pockets of Southeast Texas teachers.
No school district that participates in TRS Active Care would experience an increase. And in fact, some would experience a decrease.
That's Katrina Daniel, Chief Healthcare Officer of the Teacher Retirement System of Texas. And she's reacting to this. Governor Greg Abbott is allocating $435 million to TRS Active Care. That's the health insurance arm of the Teacher Retirement System of Texas. Saying, quote, "Our teachers are fundamental in building brighter futures for the next generation of Texans, and it's imperative that they have access to health care so they can continue developing our state's most valuable asset, our kids." Daniel says Southeast Texas was one of 2 regions across the state that were expected to see an increase in insurance premiums.
The 2 highest cost areas of the state, Fort Worth and Beaumont, will see no increase across any of their plans. In fact, depending on the plan the member participates in, they may even see a small decrease in their premiums.
There's about 1,200 Texas school districts. Of those, 1,100 participate in active care. In Southeast Texas, all districts but Beaumont ISD participate. Danielle says she hopes this will be an added incentive for new teachers.
We know that public education attracts families and often young families. And so, yes, lowering the amount that they have to pay out of pocket for healthcare costs just increases the amount of their paycheck that stays in their pocket.
Katrina says the reason Southeast Texas teachers would have seen an increase in their premiums is because of experience, age, and risk of participants in our area. In studio, Simona Barca, 12 News.